Very good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you our third lesson. The title of our third lesson is The Magic Porridge Part. The Magic Porridge Part. Okay. So, our first section is warm up section. Before going to the warm up section, I will tell you what is the meaning of porridge. Okay. So, the meaning of porridge is a thick food that is made up of milk and water, and that is made up of oats. Okay, it is like rice. Okay, so see, our first section is warm up section. In the warm up section, if you had a magic wand that can make any food you like appear in front of you, what would you wish to eat? Share your wish in class. Can your classmates guess what your food item is made of? So, wand is nothing but, see, look at this. This is a wand, that means a magic stick. Okay, that gives you whatever you want. Okay, that is wand. Magic wand is nothing but a stick that will give you whatever you want, like this. Okay, so see, so in the warm up section they have asked us, for example, if you have a wand with you, whatever that gives you whatever the food you want, so what would you wish to eat? What you want to ask to that wand, that you have to tell to all of your friends. Okay, that is all about our warm up section. Okay, so let us see the story. Once there was a little girl. Who was there? A little girl. She lived with her mother. With whom she is living? She is living with her mother. So they were very poor. What were they? They were very poor. That means they don't have anything to eat. They were very poor. Okay. One day, the little girl went to the forest to look for some fruits to eat. So one day what happened? This little girl went to the forest. So why she went to the forest? To have some fruits. Okay, as she is very hungry, right? So she went to the forest. So she went to the forest to have or to look for some fruits to eat. So on the way she met an old lady. She met an old woman. To whom she met on her way? On her way she met this old woman. So the old woman said, "Little girl, why are you looking sad?" The old woman asked the girl that why you are looking so sad, what happened? So the old lady is asking to the girl. So the girl is replying that my mother and I are hungry. So she is saying that she and her mother were so hungry, replied the little girl. Do you know the meaning of hungry? Hungry means not having food for a long time, and that feeling that occurs in your stomach is hungry. Okay, so in this way the little girl replied to the old woman. Okay, so what happened next? The woman gave her a pot. What the woman gave her? She, see, look at the picture. She is giving a pot to the little girl. She said, by giving this pot, she is saying that this is a magic pot. What is that? This is a magic pot. It will cook porridge for you. When you say cook little pot, cook, it will stop making porridge. When you say stop little pot, stop. So how it works? When we say cook magic pot, cook. Sorry, cook little pot, cook. If we say like that, the pot started cooking the porridge. If we say Stop little pot, stop. Then the magic pot stopped the cooking. So this is the way the magic pot has been operated. Okay. So what happened next? Let us see what happened next. So the little girl was very happy. She was very happy because she got the magic pot, right? So she thanked the woman and ran towards her home. She showed her mother the pot and said, "Mother, this is a magic pot. We will no longer be hungry." So what happened next? She thanked the woman because the woman gave her a magic pot, right? So that is why she thanked the woman and she ran towards her home and she showed that pot to her mother by saying, "This is a magic pot and we will no longer be hungry." Why they will no longer be hungry? Because they got the magic pot which cooks lot of porridge. How much we want, that much it can able to cook. So at first her mother did not believe her. So her mother didn't believe her in the beginning. But then the little girl said, "Cook little pot, cook." Her mother was shocked to see the pot slowly getting filled with the porridge. When the pot was filled, the little girl said, "Stop little pot, stop." So the mother and daughter never went hungry again. So what happened? If the little girl ran to her mother and said about the magic pot, the mother didn't believe her. But the little girl started saying, "Cook little pot, cook." Then the pot is filled with the porridge. And when the pot is filled, the little girl said, "Stop little pot, stop." So that the pot stopped cooking it. So in that day onwards they will never went hungry, because whenever they want to eat they will say, "Cook little pot." When it is enough, then they will say, "Stop little pot." So the mother and the daughter never went through hungry. Okay. So what happened one day? So one day the little girl went to visit her friend. So now they are going like this. One day what happened? The little girl went to visit her friend. That means to look at her friend. She went to her friend's home. Okay. Her mother was hungry and decided to use the magic pot. The little girl is not there in the home, right? But her mother was so hungry. Her mother was so hungry. So what she could do? What she wanted to do? She decided to use the magic pot. So she said, "Cook little pot, cook." She said. But when the pot was filled, she could not remember the magic words to stop the pot from cooking. How funny it is. See, she remembered the beginning magic words of the cook, but when the pot got filled, she doesn't know what are those magic words. So the pot doesn't stop cooking. It is goes on like that. So "Do not cook pot," said mother, but the pot went on cooking. Is that the magic word, "do not cooking pot"? No, right? So but the pot went cooking. It will not stop it. So soon the porridge started to spill on the floor. Spill means flowing out. It went out from the it went out from the pot and it spilled. That means it is flowing out all over the floor. The mother called out, "Wait, do not cook anymore." But the pot did not stop. So that is not the magic word. If we said the correct magic word, then only the pot stopped cooking. So it was not a correct sentence. The mother doesn't use it the correct sentence. So the pot couldn't stop cooking. So what happened next? Mother ran out the house and the porridge followed her. Soon there was porridge everywhere All the people in the village saw the porridge. They ran to eat it. So what happened? When it doesn't stop cooking, so it is flowing out. That means it is filled out all over the home, and it is following the woman. That means her mother, the girl's mother. Wherever she is going, the porridge followed her. Soon it spread all over the village. All over the village it happened. When the village people saw this porridge, they started coming towards the porridge and they started eating it. So when the little girl came back, she saw that the road was full of porridge. She ran to her house as fast as she could. So what she did, when she came back from her friend's home, she saw all the porridge that will goes all the home and all the roads. Then she ran as fast as she can to stop that porridge that was spilling out from the pot. So she went to her home. She heard her mother shout, "The pot is cooking and it will not stop." She heard that her mother is shouting. What she is saying? Do not cook, do not cook. In this way she is shouting, right? So bad the pot cooking and it will not stop. So what happened? When the little girl reached her house, she quickly called out, "Stop, little pot, stop." The magic pot stopped cooking the porridge. So what happened? When her mother saying all unnecessary sentences, but the pot doesn't stop cooking. So the little girl reached her house and she said it very quickly. What? "Stop, little pot, stop." Then the magic pot stopped cooking the porridge. So what happened next? The villagers had a busy time cleaning up their houses. Why? Because the porridge is spread all over the village, right? But no one complained because the little girl shared the pot with everyone. But no one is complaining. Why they will not complain? Because they are also poor. But the little girl shared the pot with everyone. So everyone is so happy because they got the food. So all were so happy. No one went hungry in the village again because they have magic pot. So it will cook how much they want. So no one went hungry in that village again. So this is the story of the magic porridge pot. Okay. So let us see new words. Porridge. What is the spelling of porridge? Porridge. So the pronunciation is porridge. A thick soft food made of oats and boiled in milk or water. Spill, flow out, coming out. Okay. SPILL, spill, flow out. Complained, COMPLAIND, complained, said that something was wrong. Okay. So children, now I am going to read the lesson. Put your finger on the lesson and read with me. The magic porridge pot. So read along with me. Once there was a little girl. She lived with her mother. They were very poor. One day the little girl went to the forest to look for some fruits to eat. There she met an old woman. The woman said, "Little girl, why are you looking sad?" "My mother and I are hungry," replied the little girl. The woman gave her a pot. She said, "This is a magic pot. It will cook porridge for you. When you say, 'Cook, little pot, cook,' it will stop making porridge. When you say, 'Stop, little pot, stop.'" The little girl was very happy. She thanked the woman and ran towards her home. She showed her mother the pot and said, "Mother, this is a magic pot. We will no longer be hungry." At first, her mother did not believe her. But then the little girl said, "Cook, little pot, cook." Her mother was shocked to see the pot slowly getting filled with porridge. When the pot was filled, the little girl said, "Stop, little pot, stop." So the mother and daughter never went hungry again. One day the little girl went to visit her friend. Her mother was hungry and decided to use the magic pot. "Cook, little pot, cook," she said. But when the pot was filled, she could not remember the magic words to stop the pot from cooking. "Do not cook, pot," said mother, but the pot went on cooking. Soon the porridge started to spill on the floor. Mother called out again, "Wait, do not cook any more." But the pot did not stop. Mother ran out of the house and the porridge followed her. Soon there was porridge everywhere. All the people in the village saw the porridge. They ran to eat it. They ran to eat it. When the little girl came back, she saw that the road was full of porridge. She ran to her house as fast as she could. She heard her mother shout, "The pot is cooking and it will not stop." When the little girl reached her house, she quickly called out, "Stop, little pot, stop." The magic pot stopped cooking porridge. The villagers had a busy time cleaning up their houses, but no one complained because the little girl shared the pot with everyone. No one went hungry in the village again. So children, what you have to do today is you have to by heart all these three spellings. Along with that, you have to read the lesson at least 2 times. So this is your homework today. Along with that, I am keeping the lesson 1 and the lesson 2 textbook part and the CW part in our school app. Okay, so you have to complete your lesson 1 and lesson 2 CW along with your textbook part of lesson 1 and lesson 2. Hope you understand the lesson. Keep practicing it. And tomorrow I am going to teach you the third lesson, textbook part. So you can complete the notes till that Sunday. Okay, Sunday is your last date for completing the CW, but you must complete the textbook part. So hope you understand the lesson. Thank you.